Hello, this is RADACAD from RADACAD. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to convert a numeric value to a text, but with leading 0. As you can see here, my output is a 2-character text. If the number is below 10, it has 1 0 at the beginning of it, otherwise it doesn't. There are a number of ways to do that in Power BI. I'm going to show you a very simple way to do it in Power BI using Power Query. Let's check it out. There are different methods of achieving the same thing. The method I'm going to show you is using Power Query. You can do that also in DAX with some method similar to that. To go to the Power Query window inside Power BI desktop, you have to click on Transform Data. That will get you to the Power Query editor window. Now here I have a sample column, month number. I want to add the like a leading 0 to it if the number is less than 10. To do that, one simple way is to go and add a column, add a custom column. And when you add a custom column, your expression would look like this. There is a Power Query function, very helpful function called number.toText. And the number.toText function gets one parameter as the input, normally to convert it to a text, but the second parameter here is the important parameter. That is the formatting that you want. If I put D, that means I'm expecting like a number with 2 digits as the output, but it will be as a text, of course. So that D2 will convert it to a text with a leading 0, and I don't need to go and check if the value is less than 10, add a 0, and otherwise no. It's much simpler than that. Or another method is you can add a prefix to this column as a 0 and then extract the right 2 characters. That is also multiple steps, but this is just one single step doing that all. Another method is also using text.pad start function, which you need to convert that number to text beforehand. So all of these different methods are possible, but this is between those my favorite, especially because you can play with this format a lot. Like, for example, if you have a decimal value, then changing a decimal value is not as easy as other options. For example, if I want this to always have 2 decimal points as the output, I can use a custom column using that number.toText again, but this time using N2. N is for the decimal points values. In this case, it's always 2 decimal points. As you see, there's always 2 decimal points, even if it is a 0. Or I can even convert it to a percentage value with P. So there are a lot of different options you can use. In my blog, the link that is down in the description below, I have all different formats you can use. It will give you options to use some scientific numbers and many other situations that you can use it. It's one of the best functions you can use to format your number as a text based on the formatting that you want. I hope this helps you in your Power BI solution. If you have any questions, feel free to put it in the comments below. If you like this video, go ahead and subscribe into our YouTube channel. We have weekly videos on Power BI. Thank you.